What's the meaning of Charles Atlas? Charles Atlas. Charles Atlas.
Charles Atlas. Charles Atlas. Charles Atlas refers to a physical fitness icon who developed a bodybuilding program in the early 20th century. The program focused on isometric exercises and claimed to help people gain muscle mass and improve their overall health. The name Charles Atlas became synonymous with physical strength and fitness in popular culture, and his program remained popular for several decades. Today, the phrase Charles Atlas is often used to describe someone with a strong and muscular physique, and his legacy continues to influence the fitness industry.